In this video, we walk through the client web UI and show you how to download your profile and connect to the Access server using its URL or address. If you're managing Access server for your organization, you likely already know the address. Just enter it into your browser to reach the page you see here. If your system administrator created your account, they probably send you your username, password, and the address. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may have only received the address and you log in using your existing credentials. Either way, enter the address into the browser and you arrive at the login page as you see on the screen. Here we're gonna enter the username and password and then click on sign in. Once logged in, the first page you'll see here is Get Connected. Here you can download the Connect app if it isn't already installed, or you can download your connection profile if you already have the app installed on your computer. You can also choose the Connect app for different operating systems if needed. If you ever need to change your password, click on the Change Password tab at the top of the page. Enter your current password and then type and confirm a new password. Then click on Update Password to save your changes. Back on the Downloads page, the first step is to download the Connect app for your operating system and follow the installation instructions. In my case, the app is already installed, so all I have to do is just download my connection profile by clicking on this link. Once the download is complete, locate the file and double-click on it. And then you have to confirm the import. Verify all the information and then click on Connect. You'll be prompted to enter your password. So let's go ahead and do that here. And then click on OK. From now on, you can simply toggle the switch to connect or disconnect. For more information, visit openvpn.net and check out our knowledge base and tutorials under the resources section.